This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150,295 RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 6, CO detector, DVD player, stove-top burner, oven, spare tire kit, TV, slideout, microwave, skylight, LP detector, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150,295 RL is 8,986 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Superstore, visit RVUSA.com.